Public ka koi kucham naraga chatmin nabagi wakalon CRPF ke sigumba wakalon si yamna thagadingai ni koi gi district administration nasu ujabasi mana kucham naraga chatmin naba awanungai thengnamin naba amadi part and parcel of ekoi gi life ta koi gu safeguard tawgiriba forcing sina yawi basi yamna wakal nungaijai haiba tare district administration side gi yengjaba matamda kudos to 152 battalion, I must say. The kind of interventions and activities that you are taking it up right at the village level, mohalla level, localities level, in coordination obviously with the Sports Authority of India. It's quite heartwarming, I must say. And this kind of activities and hand in hand relationship with the public should continue. Shugumba program sing si makha hena chathabasu oishanu akoina cricket as a medium ama lauraga utpagi wani atopa field dasu suksoi soidana chatkani haibutuma thamjage gentleman's game haina ribni yamna discipline leiba adugumba game amani aduna team singnasu madugi spirit tu puraga satpiu nga ki asawbana hek koisi ground he kumako matamda yes nangi confidence and then energy enthusiasm plong to puthorkadamni but at the end of the day fair play haiba masulai haiba sima koi kaugumsi aduga madugi spirit ta participating team nasu suksoi soidana madu puraga chatkani haiba mai thamjage. And I once again wish 152 Battalion CRPF the best wishes in their future endeavors in whatever steps that they take up. So my name is Saitake Thamage Specialization.
The next ball. Oh, just please. Please come over there. Or you see next ball. Oh, just miss. Oh, just clean ball. What a ball. What a beautiful ball it is. एक रन फिर से